Fronteo is in the business of providing document management for large-scale litigation. We help our clients find the data so they can make the decisions that they need to make for their cases. The documents that we're handling are highly confidential. Some of them may be trade secrets with government security clearance issues. We need to make sure that data is secure. One of the big challenges that we have in the industry is spikes in demand can happen at a moment's notice. We can get a phone call within the next 5 minutes and then have to go out and collect terabytes of information, and we have to be prepared to store it, process it, transfer it to the co-location center, and get it into our clients' hands. Clients are not going to wait for us to scale up our services, so we need to make sure that we are ready and available to handle any case at any time. Having a dedicated internet connection between our processing center and our co-location center that can be scaled up is crucial for our business to be successful. Spectrum Enterprise is allowing our communications network to scale up to 10 gigs and to meet and exceed any client demand.
Does your business struggle to keep up with client demands? Learn how fiber-based throughput enables new growth opportunities and helps exceed client demands. Click or call today.